Alright guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Motorola Razr 2020. As you can see right there. Got it directly from Motorola, Lenovo, whatever you want to fucking call it. Right there. I had the original one. I'm 32 years old. I had the original one right here. I got this in 2006 when I was like a senior in high school. So yeah, this is the old one, and this is going to be the upgraded one. So I'm a big fan of it. The original Razr came out before the first iPhone, so this was like the shit back in the fucking day. So I was really excited about this phone. So I shelled out the $1,500 to fucking buy it, because I've never spent this much money on a fucking phone. But in this only one little case, it was worth it to me. I'm still making payments on it though. So yeah, so here we go. I've already unboxed it. I've already activated it and switched my number and everything, but here we go. There it is. And this case can also be used as a amplifier for the audio, for the speakers on the bottom. But there it is, right there. Let's see. Now you have two screens. You have this one, I guess it's the little screen. You put your finger right here, and it reads your fingerprint after you register all of that shit, the personal shit, and you can see all your little notifications right there, and basically that, and then you can unlock everything, and then you have all these shortcuts right here, and then you can just close that out. Screen goes out. You don't even have to use the main screen on the inside for like texting and shit, because you can just pretty much say, "Hey Google," see? And she'll do everything else. But yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck? I don't know. That was an accident. But anyways, so here's the main screen. See it? And there's not really many problems with this. I've had a few bugs with this, like the dark mode doesn't work. It hasn't been working since I bought the phone 3 days ago. That's the only problem, really. Everything else, easy as fuck. So if you want to see it fold, look. Isn't that nice? Being able to fucking hang up on someone like you could back in the old days, like, "Oh yeah, hey, all right, I'll talk to you later." And they fucking engineered the fold, the hinge right there. They engineered it for 5 fucking years trying to get this shit right. They put a patent on it. Motorola put a patent on this shit. So here's the back. Forgot, I haven't showed you guys the back right there. And one more time with this. And it's only on Verizon. Unfortunately, I mean, I was willing to make the switch from T-Mobile to Verizon just because of this phone, since I was a huge fan of the original. I remember this fucking going off all the time when I was in high school, and this ringtone right here would always fucking go off. And this one right here, watch. This was like the ringtone that I remember hearing in class back in 2005.
Hello, Moto.
I feel so old just even saying that. But yeah, it's fucking cool, right? It's $1,500, a little steep, but it's worth it to me, since I'm major nostalgic for the Motorola Razr. But anyways, Braulio is out, and I hope you guys enjoy the review.